Vanilla is used worldwide in production of baked goods like cookies and cakes, as well as a wide variety of chocolate and candy products. We're most familiar with its aroma in ice cream, with vanilla being the most popular flavor around the globe. Its aroma is commonly referred to as sweet, and it is frequently used as a fragrance in perfumes and lotions. The compound vanillin is formed primarily by the breakdown of lignins, which are found in wooden barrels. Vanilla aromas can be a positive characteristic in beers aged intentionally in wood, especially in barrels previously used for aging bourbon whiskey. Vanilla can also be a fermentation byproduct attributable to certain strains of POF-positive yeasts, or due to wild yeast contamination. Vanilla beans and extracts are commonly added to beer to feature their aroma. Eliminating or lessening vanilla aromas in conventionally produced beer is done through maintaining appropriate hygiene and using yeast strains that are not POF positive. Increasing the aroma of vanilla can be done through directly adding vanilla-containing ingredients, or through aging in wood barrels that exhibit vanilla character from wood or from products that were previously aged in the barrel, such as bourbon whiskey.